Hello and welcome to another Motivational Monday video. I am David Lewis. Spending too much time on what people think about you is usually a big waste, since in reality, most people probably aren't thinking about you that much. If you're a narcissist, it may make sense to concern yourself with such things. But a narcissist is too involved with loving themselves to really be a great salesperson. Great salespeople care too much about helping their customers to be real narcissists. As people who spend time dealing with others on a daily basis, it is important that we are aware of how we come across to others and the perception our customers and coworkers have of us. However, selling cars is, in many ways, a teamwork activity. Because of that, getting along with those who work with us and the customers we serve is always worth the time and effort required to do so. For salespeople, creating a good perception of ourselves with customers is one of the best things we can do for assuring long-term success in this business. Surely, you can't please everyone all the time, but it doesn't hurt to do your best to get along with everyone as much as possible. Most people who sell cars for a living are type A personalities and come across as aggressive or demanding at times. But we shouldn't, and we don't have to. We are each endowed with unique personalities, and sometimes our personalities may clash with others around us without our meaning it to be that way. Unless you are someone who just doesn't get along with people, you should never change who you are just to please others. Just be yourself is the best prescription for having a happy and successful life. Know who you are and always try to be the best you that you can be. That is worth every effort you can give to make it happen. Do that, and the opinions of those around you won't really matter.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.